Can I get a home loan with a poor credit check? Tala Flava, Willie Leota here, mortgage advisor with over 16 years experience and host of the award-winning business podcast, Fresh Money. Follow along for more tips about money. Credit check is basically your borrowing history in one file and is a key part of the home loan application process. It shows information on places where you borrowed money, as well as information on your payment history on things like electricity or your phone bill. From this information, banks get a score, and they can also see if the default or anything else has been loaded on your credit file. A default is when you haven't paid a company back their loan or paid them for their service, and they've tried to get their money back from you, but they couldn't. So what they do is they load a note on your credit file history called a default, as in you have not paid them back and defaulted on that payment. If you do have a default on your credit file, then it is going to be a lot harder to get a home loan approval because banks take defaults on your credit check very seriously. So can you still get a home loan pre-approved? The answer is it depends. It depends on things like, have you paid that default off? If you haven't, then you probably won't get approved. Who is the default to? If it's to a financial institution, that's the worst type of one you can have, and it'll be a lot trickier. You might have to go via a second tier lender, but talk to your mortgage advisor about that. So in short, yes, you can get a home loan if you have a default or a poor credit check. I just did one the other day for a client, but pay that debt off. Try and avoid them if possible. Banks take them extremely seriously because they do stay on your credit file for 5 years, and you don't want that hanging around. So, last tip: get a good mortgage advisor because they're worth their weight in gold. Get in contact if you need help.